Alright guys, this is our Alba pneumatic grease gun, single shot. So being a single shot, it just makes life a lot easier for yourself when you're trying to get into tight little areas. Obviously, in this kit doesn't include an air fitting, so you will have to buy yourself an air fitting to make it work onto the airline. Very simple, it's a 450 gram canister, and they can also be bulk loaded through the top. So I'll show you how they're used. So once you have your air fitting on, and it's literally a one single shot. So you'll find if you one down, one shot of grease. If you hold it down, it's still not going to pump grease. It's just not going to work at all. So release and shot. So the reason for the single shot is when you're trying to fill up your grease nipples and stuff, you don't want to overload your tire ends, your ball joints, your uni joints, or anything that's greasable. So it's just very simple, one single shot of grease and then check. Obviously you don't want to load up something too much full of grease, it's just going to damage the item. You'll find all these tools available at onlineautoparts.com.au.